Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters in Islam, today I come before you with a sincere and urgent message, not of hatred, not of division, but of concern, of truth, and of love for the Ummah. Over 100 years ago, the noble effort of Dawah and Tabligh began from the Masjid of Nizamuddin in Delhi, led by the great scholar and reformer Maulana Ilyas, rahimahullah. This was a work grounded in Quran, Hadith, humility, and unity. It was never about power, politics, or personal leadership. But today, this very effort has been deeply divided. Why? Because of the controversial and misleading statements of one man, Maulana Saad Kandhlawi, the current figurehead at Nizamuddin Markaz. He has made dangerous claims, such as, "I am the Amir. Whoever doesn't accept me will go to hell." Taking payment for teaching Quran is worse than the income of a prostitute. Voting invalidates your salah. All Sahabah opposed one another. The adhan is just a scheduling announcement, and salah is mere motivation. Only the 6 points of Tabligh are the real sunnah. Allah would not have sent prophets if He gave hidayah Himself. And Musa alayhi salam committed a major sin by leaving his people to meet Allah. Na'udhu billah. Respected viewers, statements like these are not just mistakes. They are corrupting the very foundation of Islamic belief. For this reason, prominent scholars from Darul Uloom Deoband and across the world, from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Saudi Arabia, UK, USA, have declared his beliefs as false, misleading, and dangerous. And now, in Chicago, USA, his followers are organizing a massive Ijtema under his ideology. Let me ask you honestly, is this the Tabligh Jamaat of Maulana Ilyas, rahimahullah, or is this a distorted version led by innovation, arrogance, and misguidance? This is why I humbly appeal to all Muslims in America and beyond. Do not attend this Ijtema. Do not support this deviation. Return to the pure, humble, and united effort of Tabligh and Dawah. Protect your faith, protect your family, protect the Ummah. Let us not be fooled by large crowds or eloquent speeches. Truth is not in numbers. Truth is in the Quran, Sunnah, and the path of our righteous ulama. May Allah guide us all to the truth, unite the hearts of the believers, and protect this beautiful effort of Tabligh from all forms of deviation. Ameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.